Okay, Tim, take a look at the TROND Prime Z Surge Protector with USB charger. This one has a 15-foot cord, which is the entire reason that I bought this one, because I have to take this on a long journey. So this is kind of cool. It comes with a template card, so if you need to drill out the holes so that you can put this on the wall, you can do that. It says it's good for 100 to 250 volts, so that's good for international or domestic. That's good for 250 watts or 10 amps. For the USB output, it outputs 2.4 amps at 5 volts, and for the USB-C output, it outputs 3 amps at 5 volts. Total output is 17 watts, 3.4 amps, 5 volts. So we got 4 AC outputs on the top. We got 3 USB-A's, 1 USB-C, and then the power switch is on the same side as the cord. The thing that really makes this one stand out is this flat plug, so you can plug this in, and you can put a shelf in front of it, and you don't have to worry about it bumping into it. So good design there, especially with it being off to the side like that. So you can see when I plug it in, it's going to be off to the corner. So that means I can plug in a brick underneath it and not have to worry about it getting in the way. Okay, so now I got to run from that corner down there, and it's going underneath the table. And I'm just using an AC power and a USB power right now. And that is running up to my TV, which I have wirelessly transmitting to my camera now. So this has made this possible. So yeah, overall, that is a very nice surge protector.